Wish you very welcome to my YouTube channels. This is me Yunus and I'll be the host of these tutorials. Before going to do any further do's, let me know first how you guys are doing on the comment sections. One more thing guys, if you get anything useful in this content, please hit the likes button. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe my channels and hit the bell icons. So in this video, I will explain you how vulnerable is to download any apps from third-party source and allow them to access your Gmails in order to log in. Here, I created one script in Java which will allow me to download your all inbox emails in my local machines once you grant a permissions. Later on, those email I can import on any email clients and read it in a nicer way. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I'm on my workspace and I need to compile my codes. I'm using Gradles in order to compile my code. After these compilations, it will give me an URLs which I can embed on any applications or I can manually send to the victims. Once the victims will allow and grant the permissions, I will have access of his inbox. As you can see, here is the link generated, and now my Chrome browsers, as you can see, it asks me to allow the permissions and grant those permissions. After that, the complete emails of his inbox will be downloaded on my local machines. Let's see what has been downloaded. And that file names, as you can see, the email has been downloaded. This email you can import on any of your email clients like Thunderbirds or Yahoo Mails or even in your Gmails, and you can read the mail very easily.